Hi, it's me.
Good morning, everybody. I am alive. I was away for quite some time just because I was sick and I was working and I was sick again and then I was working again and now I'm on duty and I have my phone all the time with me. But that doesn't hinder me from doing a wonderful video today. So after living in this white room for some time, I discovered that I need to do some changes. And the changes are, we are using this IKEA roll curtain. Let me try to fix the lights. Can I make it darker? Yeah, this one. And since these plants are so big, I'm gonna exchange these for another plants from the living room. Let me show you. I will have here plenty of sansevierias instead because I think the sansevieria are smaller, more intact to the windowsill, and they will match much better. And I will bring the other flowers here to the living room. And also I want to show you, look at this beautiful Monstera variegata. Look at these leaves. Oh, my navy sound. I don't want to touch it so much, but it's so pretty. Oh well. So these sansevierias will go to the bedroom. Shower is done and now I can put the flowers in place in the living room. As you saw, we have a little bit of space here. Oh gosh, that will be good, I think. What do you think, guys? Oh, this one needs some water. This is my burning station for my all. Look what I found on Facebook. Peeing boy, yay! Beautiful. So I don't know if you can see, but I was thinking to get this ripsalis together with this one, because I have a room in here. So maybe these two can be buddies. I don't know, I didn't decide it yet. Yeah, but as you can see, it's quite bright in this north facing window, because let me adjust the light a little bit more. Let me see, because we have a house here and it's actually reflecting light, and the other houses too. So I don't know, not convinced yet. We will see how this will be. So this is that, and this is what this look like then. What do you think about that? I think it will be much easier. Let me see. Let me try this out. Yes, it will be much easier to close the curtain in the bedroom. So this is a very short video, and now I have to put my clothes on, and we are going to the store because we're lacking some stuff. And thank you so much for watching once again, and if you didn't subscribe already, do so, please, please, cheese please. And I have another channel, I can link it here, and you can subscribe to this channel here. And well, I see you soon. Balcony tour and more planting is required because it's spring soon. Okay, bye.